Rodolfo Verde, Manuel Binondo, Fevy Boy Galiga. Fourth referee is Jaime Maderazo. The tip going to the guys in white. Paubos ulit ang shot clock ng Ilagan Isabela. Mina, Solis inside, Santos getting the first basket.
Trademark system yan ni Coach Louie Gonzalez.
Two of those 6 guys remaining here with the Cowboys, Coach Juanito.
That's right. You know, this is a team that likes using the first part of the season to assess what is their strength, what is their weakness.
Saan siya? San Sebastian.
Ah, okay. But he is a homegrown of Ilagan.
I'm not sure about that. We'll have to check. Medina, the one-hander, first basket para dito sa Bulacan Cuyas.
Mas maraming pagkakataon score para dito kay Jonathan Medina for Bulacan.
J-Boy Solis face-up jumper. Lista mo na yan. Really stepped up in that game against Pasig. Kasi si Art na injure bandang third quarter. William C. with the gorgeous-looking layup. Pinasahan si Donald Gumaru. 6 seconds on their shot clock. Gumaru isolated up top, pulls up, puts it in.
It's gonna be the advantage para kay Rob Celis and Chino Mosqueda later on when they get more comfortable. You know, there's a lot of options para sa Ilagan. As we see there, a basket and one for Barrera. But in the end, you need a guy who can attack one-on-one.
Trying to shake off Felebrico. Takes the free and makes it. 5 straight points from William C.
It's good defense, just better offense. Solis was able to put a hand up pero naipasok pa rin ni William C.
Open look. Sa kabila naman, kinuha ni J-Boy Solis. Ay, parang most talented. Ba't di naglalaro sa WMPPL to?
Retired na daw. Early retirement.
Alam ko kasi iba na talent nito ngayon eh. Maliban sa pag-courtside Oo.
The original pick and pop.
He was certainly ahead of his time.
Yes. You know, if si Alex Cabagnot seeing a jumper, man, he would go to us on the broadcast panel. He would go to the opponent and may kipagkwentuhan pa yan sa kalaban na para bang hindi sila maglalaban pagkatapos.
Ito palang itirin ito, lalo nung nasa Malolos.
And, you know, but what's hard about Bulacan is they are hard to scout. You just know that these are a bunch of guys that's willing to put their heart in.
Minute gone by in the second quarter. Moralejo, pull-up jumper over J-Boy Solis. Gumulong paloob.
One thing that
Chino Mosqueda, Don Gumaru, and Alex Cabagnot. They only have 4 on their shot clock. Solis buries the mid-range jumper plus the foul. Sarmiento, pasa kay Jem Cruz. Gets that one to fall. Medina forcing his way in. Pass inside Chino. Pasa kay Don Gumaru. Leaning in. Pabandang tira. Pasok yan.
took them some time to actually really figure out what the options were. But the hesitation really led to that miss.
Medina, the Hesse, shot fake. Smooth move from Jonathan Medina.
He does like that.
Medina will trigger it in from the baseline. Mark Barrera off the dribble, got bumped, flips it up and in, plus the foul.
Ngayon, mas lumalabas pa yung ibang klaseng laro nitong si Barrera where he is running and he is also able to attack.
Barrera, pasa sa loob. Medina will finish strong underneath. Jonathan Medina, Mart Barrera, and William C. He has had a couple of steals already. But Paranada getting past him that time, and he scores from the free throw line.
In UST, we saw that kind of a shot coming from Kyle Paranada as well as in UE. I don't think he's getting that much of a green light here. But on the other end, terrific execution by Bulacan.
Tops it down low, Alan Santos, pasa sa labas, Paranada off the dribble. Almost nowhere to go. Pasikip sa ilalim, nagawa ng paraan ni Kuya Alan. The rebound ending up with TJ Felebrico.
They're giving just a little space at medyo nang gigigil. Itong mga player ng Bulacan pag nakakita sa espasyo. What a pass coming from Alan Santos.
Allen Mina to tie up the ball game, no good. Solis nakuha yung offensive rebound. Felebrico dire-diretso.
You know what? You need those types of plays. Those
rebounded by Alex Cabagnot. Pitch ahead. Allen Mina will get them the lead back with that lefty layup. No?
And I think there will be more movements.
Yeah.
You know, merong mga players na dinadrop, may mga players na dinadagdag. Actually, each and every time may ina-update, na-excite ako para sa mga team na ano eh.
Balik ang labang sa Bulacan. Kabagnot pulls the trigger. That rattles in.
Playmakers for Ilagan right now.
Mart Barrera over Alan Santos.
Actually,
Dami nating
ngayon
ganyan
ko lang
eh.
napansin.
Si Alex Ramos, si Jory Napoles, pero si Benedictos, nagpakawala naman ng tres. Oh, baka isa lang barbero nila dito. J-Boy Solis hits it!
I think that should have been a foul. I think that should have been a basket and one. I don't know if there was a whistle. Let's see.
Just couldn't knock it down.
Not a lot happened on that offense. It was all Jonathan Medina with the basketball. Ooh, still no call.
Allen Mina spots up, knocks down the trifecta.
Oh, they'd rather get that. That's a 3.
That time around by Allen Mina. Mart Barrera, short jumper. That will go down for the Tanjay City.
In a good way, hindi yung pagiging aggressive that could cause turnovers. They acknowledge that they are a young team, so ito yung strength nila, which is yung fast break points. So on the other side, para sa panig ng Ilagan, naging reminder.
Andre Acop the rebound. March De Leon sa loob, finishes through traffic to go along with 19.4 fast break points. That's number 6 in the league. Capasio, binayaan naman yung pagsugal sa kanya ni Coach Louie. Knocks down that jumper. Splitting two defenders, can't finish. March De Leon the rebound.
Grabe yung depensa nitong Bulacan. You know, they might be shorter, but they really are very active on the defensive end. And then,
Andre Acop off the dribble. Pasa sa loob. One-hander by Barrera. Gets the friendly bounce.
I can't find an answer. The energy of Bulacan has been intense. You know, this...
Prince Rivero, bounce pass to Capasio. Bola na agaw na naman ng Bulacan. Benedictos tied up. MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Rivero trying to stick with it. Inside they go. Nice pass. Setting up Gabe Capasio.
Two careless attempts from Rivero and Capasio, but they kept the energy, they kept the ball.
Was hitting in the third quarter against Caloocan.
I saw him actually. I got to cover him before in not the thing. As we see there, right on cue. Now here in Ilagan, I know that there is such more para dito kay Kyle Paranada.
Leaning in, Andre Acop will score.
Talk about more itong si Andre Acop without his brother right now.
Kabagnot off the bounce. Having trouble with this set, Ilagan. Paranada bails them out with a
The
three.
big 3 coming from Kyle Paranada. You know, they've been struggling in their offense. Once, alam hinabol ni Kyle Paranada. Alam niya na threat itong si Herald Benedictos. So he didn't give a chance for him.
Paranada will hit the jumper. Back-to-back baskets. Tupas ano?
Bomba ni si Del.
Sa loob. With Sarmiento with the basket. Mina pasa kay Paranada. Tumalaksak. Floater is up and good. 7 straight points.
For you to be able to battle the youth, you
Paranada spots up, knocks down the trifecta. He now has 15.
somehow they just can't enter. They have to make stops. They have to be able to run as well because that is where they're having a problem. And now it's a possible 4-point play for Bulacan. An advantage on a one-on-one off a switch, pero hindi pa rin maibibigay yan para kay Rob Celis.
We haven't really seen him operate to his favorite spot, that elbow.
Yeah, the lead scorer para dito sa Ilagan. Only 1 of 2 in double figures, but no one around on the cut for Jonathan Medina.
Off balance, rebound nakuha ni Jem Cruz. Tatakbo na naman, what a pass! Barrera in stride, lays it in!
Oh, that trail job has always been successful the whole ball game for them.
1 rebound shy, and 3 assists shy of a triple-double. Paranada drills in the 3.
It is a 2-possession ball game, but still in favor of Bulacan. Rob Celis.
Ilagan with a stop. Paranada maintains his dribble, flips it in. 23 points for Kyle Paranada, 19.
Yung stats na meron itong si Art, kaya kailangan talaga niyang i-elevate yung ambag niya. But when I asked him about the history of his name, sabi niya hindi niya nga rin daw talaga alam kung saan nanggaling yung J-Boy. Pero
But has turned out to to be a key contributor for Ilagan. That time, masyado malakas yung kanyang jumper. Solis sa loob. Well challenged by William C. Celis recovers. 7 on their shot lock. Solis pumihit sa loob. Kissing it off the glass for 2.
Celis and J-Boy, alam mo na talagang gumagalaw ang mga bigs, but Jem Cruz able to answer his own 3 on the other end.
Nagmamadali si TJ. Passing it to the outside. Paranada in stride. Book it from downtown.
Kyle Paranada, 27 points.
29 seconds left. Paranada to Solis. Stolen away by William C. C all the way for 2.
That's huge. You know, no one was really helping out. About not just for them to be safe.
Osgena nakawala. That's a good guy to foul. It's Alan Santos, but instead they foul Kyle Paranada. Big free throws though for Paranada. Rattles in the first. Paranada calmly sinks both.
7.9.
Medina rising up for the 3. No, and that should do it. Ilagan Isabela clawing their way back after the Cuyas establish a 9-point lead.
But you gotta credit one guy for their comeback. He stepped up, he showed up, and he really was the one that sparked this comeback. It's this guy, Kyle Paranada.
The Filipino-American Kyle Paranada with a career-high performance today. 29 points, 4 of 4 from 3, 9 of 13 overall from the field. Our best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Our final score: